November 2nd, 2019. It was a lovely day out. I finally got my PK Fat Ripper.
Stay right here.
The McDonald's Fat Ripper.
Stay right here.
It was lovely. I was wheeling so good, I didn't even think I could do that with my abilities. I was so happy that day. November 2nd, I thought it was going to be the best year of my life. I thought 2020 was going to be amazing. I thought I was going to be pulling wheelies left and right. I thought I would get more chicks. I thought people would not think I'm gay. All my happiness and joy. I never felt this good in my life.
Many months later.
Mom! This was the worst moment of my entire life.